Good evening, students. Today we will be dealing with the even and odd functions. For a function, if f of minus x is equal to f of x, matlab, look at this. For an example, I am giving, say y equal to fx is equal to x square. F of minus x is equal to minus x whole square, that is same as f of x. So whenever a function satisfying a condition f of minus x is equal to f of x, वो function को क्या बोलते हैं? Even function. F is even function, and a graph of an even function is symmetric with respect to y-axis. For this example, same example, y equal to x square, if I am plotting its graph, you are knowing y equal to x square graph here. This one you are knowing. So this is y equal to x square. जैसे right side graph है, जैसे right side of y axis graph है, that is same as left side graph. मतलब graph is symmetric with respect to y axis. Graph is symmetric with respect to y axis. मतलब graph of an even function is symmetric with respect to y axis. One more example I am giving. One more example I am giving. Let us take a simple example. Another. Say f of x is equal to mod x, and I can better explain through its graph. Y equal to mod x. You are knowing. This is y equal to plus x and y equal to minus x, and this is y equal to mod x. Say let us take f of x, this one. Again f of minus x is equal to f of x. This function once again satisfying f of minus x equal to f of x. That means it confirmed to be even function. F even function हो गया. Now we will see the definition of an odd function. For an odd function, if f of minus x is equal to, if f of minus x is equal to minus of fx for all x belongs to that domain D, where D is the domain of the function, then f is an odd function. F is an odd function. See, let us take an example. Say f of x is equal to x cube. You are knowing x cube graph, you are knowing. This is y equal to x cube. So जैसे फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है, सेम थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में है. मतलब ग्राफ इज सिमेट्रिक इन ऑपोजिट क्वाड्रेंट्स. सो ग्राफ ऑफ एन ऑड फंक्शन for this f of minus x क्या हो गया? If you are putting x by minus x cube, that is minus of f of x. Minus of f of x. मतलब your odd function condition satisfied, and the graph of an odd function is symmetric in opposite quadrants, either first and third, yeah, in some cases it is 2 and 4. So graph of an odd function is symmetric in opposite quadrants. Other examples I am giving. So you are very clear now. For an even function f minus x equal to fx for all x belongs to respective domain, and for an odd function f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. Other examples for even and odd functions I am giving. If you are taking x sin x, this is an odd function, this is an odd function, odd into odd, even function, and mod x and x square, x power 4, and sin x or sine of mod x you can take, or mod of sin x, mod of sin x. Like this you can give examples. These are all even functions. Examples for even functions. Now we will look at examples of odd functions. X cube, x power 5, sin x, tan x, cosecant x. Like this we can give as many examples as possible. So these are examples for even functions and these are examples for odd functions. Now we will have a clear-cut explanation for these properties of odd and even functions. Then we will start problems. See, for any function f of x, I am writing fx as f of minus x plus f of x by 2. This is 1 plus f of x minus f of minus x. So your fx can be written like this. After simplification you are getting fx only because f of minus x and minus f of x getting cancelled. Fx plus fx, 2fx by 2 will give you f of x. But this function every time f of x plus f of minus x by 2 is an even function and f of x minus f of minus x by 2 is an odd function. So I am denoting even function with E and odd function with O. So every function can be written as sum of even and odd functions in a unique way. Next. There are some functions which are neither even nor odd. For example, a constant function fx equal to some constant k, where k not equal to 0 I am taking. So f of minus x is also equal to k because it is a constant function. हमने already 11th class में discuss किया. So f of x equal to k for all x belongs to its respective domain. F of minus x is also equal to k. Therefore f minus x equal to fx. मतलब every constant function is an even function. Every constant function क्या हो गया? Even function हो गया. In particular, if I am taking k value to be 0, fx equal to 0. So f of minus x is also 0. 0 can also be taken as minus 0. That makes no difference. So f of minus x is equal to minus fx भी ले सकते हैं इस केस में और fx भी ले सकते हैं. मतलब fx is odd also and even also. Therefore, the function fx equal to 0 can be considered as odd as well as even, and this is the only function which is both odd and even, right? So that is one property. Every function can be written as sum of odd and even functions, and fx equal to 0 is both odd and even, and every constant function is even. Now suppose if f is an odd function, given f is an odd function, and suppose f is derivable, मतलब differentiable, then f dash क्या होता है? f dash is even function होता है. f dash is an even function होता है. For example, f is an even function. F is an even function, and again f is differentiable. Then its derivative f dash is an odd function. Okay. Now you are knowing from 11th class knowledge sum of functions, मतलब sum function, difference function, product function. मतलब for two functions f and g defined on the same domain D, f plus g you can define on the same domain f minus g, and f into g and f by g, where set of all d minus set of all points where gx equal to 0. This is the domain of f by g, and for f plus g, f minus g, f into g, same domain D. You are knowing this from your 11th knowledge. of relations and functions. Also, we have discussed f circle G, G circle F. Now we will verify the properties of all odd and even functions with respect to all of these functions. Now let me explain those things. So I am taking a function f, here G, and f plus G I am taking here f plus or minus G, f into G, that is fx into gx, and f by G, f circle G and G circle F. Like this I can take. Suppose both are even, f is even and G is also even. Automatically f plus G ले लो या f minus G ले लो, both are even and f into G even, सारे even हो जाएगा, पूरा रो completely even हो जाएगा. Next even and G odd लिया, एक फंक्शन even हो गया, दूसरा फंक्शन odd हो गया. Let us take x square plus sin x, एक फंक्शन इवन हो गया, दूसरा फंक्शन ऑड हो गया. सम ऑफ दीज टू फंक्शंस हम बोल नहीं सकते ऑड होता है या इवन होता है. सो यू कैन नॉट, मतलब दिस फंक्शन इज नेदर इवन नॉर ऑड, नेदर इवन नॉर ऑड, cannot be decided. And what about f into g? X square into sin x, if I am taking, this is an odd function, this is an even function, product function is an odd function only, cannot be decided, neither even or nor odd, you can say, cannot decide, you can say, or simply you can say neither even nor odd, neither even nor odd. This is the right way, neither even nor odd. And for f into g it is an odd, and for f by g one function is even, other function is odd है तो their quotient f by g is again odd function. But for f circle g and g circle f, one function is even, second function is odd, their composite function is even only. F circle g is even, g circle f is also even. Same story runs when you have taken f is an odd function and g is an even function. Same, neither even nor odd. And f into g, one function odd, one function even, again odd function. And f by g same odd. And f circle g is even, g circle f. Now both are odd. F and g both are odd functions I am taking. So f plus or minus g odd function. And f into g is also odd. No, not odd. Say x cube into sin x. Odd into odd, even function हो जाएगा. F into g even हो जाएगा. Next, f by g again even. And for f circle g, both are odd. So odd only. F circle g is odd only. This is also odd. For this, if you want proof, f circle g of minus x, have a look. So this you can write as f of g of minus x, g of minus x, when g is an odd function, f of minus of gx लिख सकते, f of minus of gx minus of f of gx लिख सकते, मतलब it conforms to be an odd function. So f circle g is odd and g circle f is also odd. Like this, in a single step we can finish all these properties. Now odd and even function का extension देखिए, extension of even and odd functions.